Welcome to Shed Build Part 2. From a flat floor to standing walls, let's get to work. For the walls, we're mostly dealing with 2x4s on 16-inch centers. Let's see how fast we can knock this out. Raising a 20-foot wall solo is a beast. I used 2 side lumbers to help guide it up and keep it from sliding off the rim joist. It worked perfectly. Once the walls were up, I added a double top plate at the top. You need that extra lumber to support the roof weight and lock everything in. The second wall is always easier. You've already got the first one to brace against and the muscle memory kicks in. The second wall went up easy, but the third wall, that was a different story. This one has 2 windows and the entry door. I actually built the whole thing facing the wrong side. It was too heavy to flip alone without breaking the frame, so I had to break my solo rule and ask my girlfriend for help. With her help, we got it flipped and braced. Lesson learned. Check your orientation twice. Finally, the double barn doors. I framed these 8 feet wide so my ride-on mower and gear fit with no trouble. The framing stage is officially done. What a beautiful day. In the next part, I'm going to show you how I install the roof rafters and get the siding up to dry this shed in.